So it's 6:30 p.m. and I'm gonna take a break and let's make tea. So this is the tea I'm using. It's from Japan and it's Chiran green tea, and it says it's made in Kagoshima. That smells good already. We're just putting the bag here. I'm gonna add hot water to this, so I'll be right back. And if you're wondering where I got this, it came with the Sakuraco maize snack box. So, what is Sakuraco? Sakuraco is a monthly artisan Japanese snack box featuring 20 traditional seasonal sweets, Japanese tea, and an exclusive homeware item, supporting local makers across Japan. The snacks are carefully curated and not the typical treats you'd find in Japanese convenience stores. These boxes ship globally straight to your door, and each box includes a cultural booklet featuring snack descriptions, allergen information, and fun insights about Japanese culture. So what I love about these snack boxes is that they have different themes for each month. And this month, Sakuraco takes you to Hiroshima, where nature, culture, and history come together. And the Sakuraco snack box also include a tableware item, which is different each month. For this month, it's this Bloom's hand-picked ceramic. Let's have a taste of this tea. It smells really nice. This is exactly what I need right now. I want to say a huge thank you to Sakuraco for sending me their snack box, and if you want to get yourself one, feel free to check out the latest offers in the links below. And don't forget to use my code HeyAngelYT to get $5 off your first order.
Our whole university. No, which one you like? Bulldog or? Wow. No. Wait. Ooh, it smells spicy. Girl dinner. We have dumpling,
samyang,
bulldog,
shinramyeon,
eggs.
We're vlogging. Yeah. Okay, I'll just pray for you. It's not that spicy. I think you like mine. Spicy? Oh. Sorry, yeah. Oh, sabi ko sa'yo eh. Oh, yeah. I have confidence. Oh, have you tried this? I think it's a Korean guy. I think it's comfortable. It's so much. That's good. just dry egg with vegan and
Coke.
Here. Thank you.
จะไปข้อหนึ่งให้หิว
Hi to the vlog. Say hi to the vlog. Do you watch my vlog?
This is my new room.
Which one?
Look!
Wait. On the beach right now.
It's the failed version.
I can imagine.
Oh yeah, that's fine. That's fine. I'm gonna show you. Wait.
One sea salt, yeah. Also cheesecake, just this one. Yeah. 谢谢。
Extension siya or something. Okay, may restaurants done. Cultural center.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit, I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better that you are not with me. That's why I wrote you a letter, 'cause you see I write so much better than I speak. And I need to tell you, you were my best friend till the end. Right now I don't know what to do. It's hard to get over. You chose someone else, a new best friend. It doesn't feel like it was long ago. We were head over heels in love, thought it'd last forever, but somehow we